I'm back, everybody. Introducing first. He's the cousin of Casal Utaker. Killian Utaker. I already introduced him. There he is, Killian Utaker. Look him, looks. Introducing next, he is the reigning and defending JWE Hardcore Champion. He's the husband to Celine Utaker, Paul Utaker. And here we go. Killian moves outside the ring. Paul going outside the ring, and also they're both grabbing the ladders. Killian puts the ladder in. So does Paul. There's two ladders in the ring. Paul and Killian both have ladders. Killian sets his up in the middle of the ring. Paul blue says press on the Killian. Killian's down, but he's getting back up. Paul was going to climb the ladder there. But Killian hits Paul with the ladder. Killian now in control. Paul now German suplex. Killian's down, but he's back on his feet. Killian now in the corner. What's Paul doing? Kick to the back of the head. Killian's down. After that kick to the head by Paul, Killian now is leaning up against the ropes. Paul now chops him. And chops his leg like a chicken leg. Killian now. The ladder falls down. What's Paul doing here? A surfboard submission hold. Killian now is in trouble. Paul has Killian up. Killian reverses it. Killian now pulls Paul into the ropes. What a kick. Paul rolls outside the ring. Killian has the ladder up. And he's climbing. He's on top. Paul now, he's climbing up too. Him and Killian are fighting on top of the ladder. Paul now shoves Killian off the ladder. Paul now, he's going on top. He's on top of the ladder. What a punch. Killian's down, but he's not out. Paul now drags Killian reverses it with elbow shots to the stomach. Killian now gets eyelids ripped over the top. Paul's like that. Paul's climbing up. Killian's outside the ring on the apron. Paul's on top of the ladder. Two rungs. He misses it. Killian, he's climbing the ladder. Paul and Killian. He's punching Killian. Killian now fighting back. He's punching Paul. Now he kicks him off. Paul's down. Killian now has his chance. 3 rungs. 4. Can Killian do it? Can he do it? He has done it. Here's your winner and the new JWE Hardcore Champion, Killian Utaker. I'll be back.